Yo, 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 what's cracking, man? It's Mad Mark's car. Back with another one. Yeah, man. Hey, man. Just because I ain't been posting like that, y'all, that don't mean I ain't been still working with my cars. And, you know what I'm saying? I still be getting busy. I got a lot of stuff to show y'all too, bro. You feel me? I got a lot of stuff in store for y'all. You know what I'm saying? If you been tuned into the channel, then you know, put my seatbelt on. If you been tuned into the channel, then you already know what the bar Chevy on my. I got a 1979 Box Chevy Impala. Oh, excuse me. I got a 2006 Trailblazer LT converted to an SS. That bill is still going on right now. I got a short bed OBS GMC Sierra. And a Cutlass. Got a Cutlass on the channel too, y'all. I'm going through the short bed just like I did the Box Chevy. Y'all, you look at the videos of short bed, I took the carpet, I took everything out. The seats and all that. It's nothing inside the short bed but my dash and the steering wheel, and you know what I'm saying? I replaced it. But I'm trying to see, do I want to put the a high country dash in there? And door panels? And go to new school, look inside. And have a look on old school on the outside. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see how I want to do it, y'all. Man, y'all let me know in the comments, should I put the high country interior in the OBS bill? Let me know in the comments. Should I put the high country interior in the OBS bill? That thing gonna be sick, bro. It'll be even sicker if I go high country in the OBS, and also did get the seats and panels redone, like in the color I want to use. All this stuff costs me, but it's doable. It's doable. I seen a couple videos where guys putting their high country interior in them OBSs. I even seen one guy make the brackets. You can buy the brackets from him. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I don't know, dog. I don't know. I'm trying to see how I'm about to do this. But the shout bed gotta be nasty, bro. The Box Chevy. I ain't even done the Box Chevy yet, and the Box Chevy get so many heads turn and compliments and ask me do I want to sell it and how long I had it, what year it is. This all day, every day I drive the Box Chevy. So when I do this, when I do this shout bed, though. When I do this shout bed, and you know, like that Cutlass. Try to see what KT gonna do with the we had already started on, well, I ain't gonna say we, cause I wasn't there. But KT already done started pulling the engine out of the cut, dog. I'm trying to get there and help him do that. So I've been to learn how to pull these engines out. When I learn how to pull the engines out, shit, it's nothing to put them in. You know how to put it out, you know how to put it in. You know how to put it out, you know how to put it in. You feel me? That be done. So I get going doing that, and I'm about to LS swap the Box Chevy probably. I'm probably about to LS swap the Box Chevy though. You feel me? Take that 350 out of there. 350 is a good engine, y'all. That's a 1979, bro. That thing need to be ran through. If I'm about to run through it, I'm going to turn it to a 383. I ain't gonna play around with it. We're gonna turn it to a 383. So I'm just trying to see how I want to go by this. At the same time, you know, document it like I always do, document everything. I like to be able to go back and look at my work. Or somebody ask me what all I done to it, and I just tell you, go to my YouTube channel. Go to this playlist. I got a whole playlist on it. Go to the playlist and tell you everything I done. I love that I can do that. Because a lot of people think you be lying about the stuff you be doing. Like, I ain't lying about it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna lie about what I did to my stuff. You really ain't got to know. I really don't care for you to know. I don't care to tell you, you know. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. All this stuff going down, dog. The trailblazer shit. That thing wide up. It's just a couple more things I need to do. I need to pull that rear end down. I gotta put that rear end down and put my other rear end up. Yeah, I got that rear end with the 14 gears, boy. Out of SS Blazer. If you been tuned in, you already know this though. But I've been in that boss Chevy. I've been driving that boss Chevy. But y'all know I've been had some time with my boss Chevy so far. Like, it done set. Got fixed, set. You know what I'm saying? Like, the boss Chevy is my first classic car build. You know what I'm saying? I learned a lot from this car, bro. And I also learned a lot dealing with shops, too. Like, you know, sometimes it don't matter how much money you got. Them shops still gonna do what they want to do. And you really be on their time. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of stuff with dealing with them shops, dog. You know what I'm saying? You got some guys out here who run their shops how they supposed to be ran, though. I ain't came across those yet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't came across those yet. I'm just being real to y'all. Everybody be trying to get down on something, everybody in their own type of way. In a certain, you know what I'm saying? I don't like that. I don't like people that get down on the next person. I'm not like that, so I don't like people like that. I don't want to be around it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's weak. It's weak. You know what I'm saying? It's weak. Like, you gonna get down on, it's weak. Even family will do it to you too, bro. So, like I said, I just consider it all weak. But when dealing with the old school, bro, it's a lot, bro. It's a lot dealing with the old schools. And I also learned that it don't be as much as people be thinking. Like, let me rephrase that. The shit costs. Don't get that messed up. But it can overly cost if you don't have the right person to help you out, or you don't have the right person working on your car, because you'll end up overpaying for stuff. Well, let me put it like this: instead of overpaying, you will end up paying for things more than once. You know what I'm saying? That's what you don't want to do. You want to go and get it done the right way the first time. You know what I'm saying? All that bullshitting around and trying to go around this and get around that and niggery this and niggery. Nah, you want to go and do it right the first time, so you ain't gotta go back and do it again and buy the stuff again. You know what I'm saying? That's buying shit 2-3 times. You don't want to do that. When it comes to these the paints on these old school, bro, go to somebody who really can paint, and go to a well-known establishment that paints. Like, straight like that. Like, I know a lot of guys be talking about Mako, man. Hey, man, if you want to play nice paint job, go to Mako. Just, like, I ain't telling you to go there and have them folks try to put flakes in your paint and do all this and that. Plain paint job, go to Mako. They do that well. I know a couple guys went plain paint job in Mako, and they call it look damn good. You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't want all those bright colors and the flip and flop painting. Everybody don't like that. To each his own, but everybody don't like that, though. Everybody don't like that. I know I like a simple look, but I also like my pearls and stuff, too. You feel me? So I said, man, hey, whatever floats your boat. You feel me? If I start talking about the LSs, though, bro. Now, the LSs, you got the LS guys out here. You got the LS guys out here who be like, LS swap the world. And you got some guys out here like they love their carburetors. You feel me? Me, my personal opinion, I fuss with the carburetor because it's slick, easy to work on, but I'm talking about the reliability, bro. And let's burn less gas too, bro. You feel me? Like, I like to drive my cars. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, some guys like to put their cars out on certain days, the weekend or whatever, so I understand the carburetor be good for you. But nah, I like to ride my car, bro. Like, what's the point of having them? I like to jump in and ride and enjoy myself. Like, the boss Chevy put such a smile on my face every time I drive. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just sit back and admire your work, and you be like, dog. I know the boss Chevy was all brown. If you wasn't tuned into the channel, you didn't see when I first bought the boss Chevy. I'm letting you know now. The boss Chevy was all brown with tan peanut butter inside. That shit was so bad and brittle. Seats had holes in them, ripped all up. Well, I said, man, I came a long way. This short bed, I got some ideas for the short bed, and I just did some work to the short bed. I didn't record the short bed. I just did some work to the short bed. I didn't record it. I changed the steering column and the rod. I changed all that. You feel me? I should have recorded it, man. I should have recorded it. But yeah, I probably throw a picture in or a clip in, but that was fairly easy. I know I never cranked the short bed up, so that's what I'm trying to do. And when I was just trying to crank it, it sounded like it was about to crank. Well, I know the engine works because it's turning over, but the battery a little dead, so I wasn't able to crank it. And I'm trying to see too, like, how I want to do this gas and all that stuff.